All right. Yo, yo. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Sorry, I'm a little bit late, chat. A little bit late. Had some technical difficulties. Could not get my Streamlabs to take me live on stream for whatever reason. So we had to work through that, but here we are. We're good. If you guys aren't aware, we have some major news today. Major news. We got JOLTS coming in at 9 o'clock, and consumer confidence at 9 o'clock or 10 a.m. Eastern time. So make sure you guys are aware of news happening today. It's going to be a little bit of a ride. So we have to be extremely cautious. Getting a lot of buyers coming up out of these lows that we made. Trading back up into the 460s, running into a little bit of resistance area, getting back above this, probably sends back up in the 500s. Something to watch for. We are trading the Tradeify accounts today. These are Tradeify evals that we're trying to get past. We're about 2,200 away from passing these. So we'll see if we can get one step closer to passing these evals here. All right, trading back down in the 430s. Gonna be very picky today. Very picky. Gonna be very patient. Today might be a tricky one with jolts and everything coming up, so we have to be very careful. We are trading back into VWAP right now. So we were saying Discord, yeah, today's gonna be a little bit of a ride. So we have to be very patient and picky because it's yeah, we don't want to get trapped into anything because the moves today could be quite large, especially with jolts. Got some sellers bringing us back down here. We are trading the TradeFi accounts. I do have my top one and my Top Step X accounts pulled up on another monitor. So I'm watching over there as well. And we'll probably be going back and forth between accounts, but I really want today's focus for myself to be these TradeFi accounts to see if we can get one step closer to getting these things passed and getting the TradeFi accounts funded again. Really testing this VWAP here. Sellers trying to move us lower. So far, buyers trying to defend it a little bit, but it looks like sellers want to bring us back down to these lows here. We'll see though. Today is going to be a weird one. It might be one of those see profit, take profit kind of days, chat. See profit, take profit. Sellers are trying to bring us down to these lows here. LT, good morning. My recommendation would be to stay out of this until after Jolts comes out and let news drop. I really don't see a reason to trade it until we have that news come out. Would just be my recommendation. Y'all do whatever y'all want to do. All right, getting back into the 50s here. Buyers defended us a little bit, keeping us from going to the lows. We'll see if we get the move higher. Yeah, I really don't want to touch this until that news drops. This PA is going to be a little bit weird. Not really liking where price is right now either. I would like to see some good levels tested, like down in the 300s or back up into the 600s. That's what I would like to see. And find some good trades to take there. Not much happening right now. Chat, we fly out to Florida tomorrow. We will be flying to Tampa tomorrow morning. We have the Futures Boot Camp in Tampa, the 1st and 2nd. And then we're hanging out in Tampa for the weekend. And then we go over to Pompano. So ready, bro. So ready for Florida. I still got a pack too. What am I doing in Pompano? Trading from the BDH with Patrick Wheeland. And yeah. And then vacationing. My wife will fly down. I fly into Pompano on May 4th. So I'll be doing some work stuff pretty much May 5th through the 8th. And then my wife flies into Pompano on the 8th. And then we're going to just kind of do a little vacation together for a whole week. So I'll be pretty much in Florida from Tampa all the way until the end of my Pompano trip. I'll be in Florida for like 2.5 weeks. I'm not flying back until May 16th. What day am I trading? Every day. I'll trade, pretty much every single day up until the 8th on YouTube. Now I will say the rest of this week I won't be live on YouTube because I'll be in Tampa for the boot camp. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday we will not be live here on YouTube. But Monday, Tuesday, actually Monday and Wednesday of next week we'll be live on YouTube. But on Tuesday of next week we'll be live with Patrick Wheeland at the BDH on his channel. So it's gonna be a little bit of a messy streaming schedule while I'm down there, but we'll still be live. If you guys haven't already, do me a favor, smash that like button, man. We're just chilling here waiting for a price to do its thing and get settled while we wait on Jolts to come out as well, which comes out in about 15 or so minutes. About 15 minutes. And that's going to move the market tremendously. So we're going to wait for that. See if we can get some direction. Right now, not really too excited with where price is and trading it. So we're just kind of waiting at the moment. Going over to news here. Y'all see that we have Jolts and consumer confidence. Both of these are pretty big. Jolts being the big one here. So this is going to be a big market mover. Trump speaks later today. Outside of that, we really don't have anything else, but this is going to be the big one. At 9 a.m. Central, 10 a.m. Eastern, seeing Jolts come out. It's going to be a big one. In Pompano, how much are the classes? The Futures Boot Camp is in Tampa. I'm just flying to Pompano after Tampa. All right, coming up into the 490s here, trying to get back into the 500s. Breaking into the 500s now. Trying to work our way back up. Start testing these levels, maybe catch a breakout above the 630s there. That'd be nice. I would love to do that. Lots of movement to the upside here. Over in these 512s. Get above the, what was that, 38s? Nas is moving. She's moving. Hi, Delty. Big little pop there. Pop above those 38s. Not sure what that pop was. Today we'll test everyone's patience. Yeah, it's going to. I have a bad feeling about today, to be honest, chat. I don't know. Chat, you ever just get that feeling that you come to your computer and you get to the screen and you're just like, I got a bad feeling about today. You ever have that just like that feeling? I woke up with that feeling today, which makes me a little bit nervous on trading today. I feel like there's going to be, I don't know. It just feels like a red day. I don't know if you guys get that feeling. I think it's because we've been trading so well that I know I'm, I don't want to say due for a red day. I don't like saying that, but I think it's eventually coming. And I just keep getting closer and closer to that day, All right, well, rejected those 40s. Come back down to the low 500s here. Retesting 500. We got some big news dropping in 7 minutes. Probably a good idea just to wait until after news drops. Let news drop and then see what the market has in store. Trying to waive the 125% tariff import, really? Oh, yeah. Yep. I see that headline just dropped. All right, about 5 minutes until Jolts comes out. 5 minutes. I imagine the books on level 2 data is going to be getting pretty thin here in a little bit. Also, chat, it's thundering its ass off outside. We're in like some crazy storms right now. So if I lose power, sorry. Sorry. Serving these 20s, I think at this point the market's waiting on Jolts to come out. Price has slowed down a lot. Books are probably already getting thin. Things have slowed. All right, 2 minutes. We got 2 minutes until Jolts. Market is waiting. Kind of just hovering these 500s until Jolts comes out. We got Jolts coming in now 1 minute. Buckle up, chat. Buckle up. Strap in. $30 seconds. $20 seconds. Strapped him with my helmet on. It's going to be a wild ride. And here we go. Jolts. So far, pretty lackluster. Jolts missed predictions. So did consumer confidence. Pretty lackluster, chat. That didn't really do anything. Well, that was kind of lame. I wanted some serious this, like all of this. I wanted this to happen. You know what I mean? I wanted Price to do this. Instead, we did this. That was lame. Pretty lackluster. Oh, well. Oh, well. Moving on. All right, buyers looking like they're going to send us straight back up. Trying to, at least. Oh, to the moon, I guess. To the moon. Kind of shocking. Buyers looking like they want to step up. We got to get above 46s. Running into a little bit of resistance here. Trying to get it to move higher. Back to overnight high, maybe. Buyers are trying. I don't know. We're running into a little bit of resistance here. We got to get through this resistance area. There it goes, getting through. All right, coming up to 580s. See if we can maybe get a breakout above 630s, which I'm more than happy to take on these TradeFi accounts. See if we can get a move higher, a pullback, something like this. Wait, where's my hello? All right, anyways, something like up, get like a little bit of a pullback to get long off of, and then send it. That's what I'd like to see. Hello? Can I not delete this? Thank you. Looking like we're gonna probably pop these 630s. Trading up into 600s. Really want to try to find a long here. Nice, G-Man. Would really like to try to find a long. Get a little bit of a pullback here. We're at the very top of these ranges. I don't like necessarily longing up here, but I think I'm going to have to find a pullback like what we're getting to get long off of. Horrible trade location, but don't really have much other option but to just set it out and wait. But I have pretty high conviction that we're moving to 630s. So if I can get a little bit deeper of a pullback here, I'm not opposed to taking it long. Just want a little bit deeper of a pullback. Come on, Nas, give it to me. Don't rip without me. You're giving me FOMO. You're giving me FOMO. Holding today's point of control so far from overnight session. Yep. Yep. All right, getting a little pullback here. All right, I'm gonna keep this stop very tight. I'm trading 1 mini on these evals, so keeping a very tight stop. I might get stopped out quick on this. Quick. I'm not gonna let this go too far against me. So we're long 1 mini. Off a retest of this previous support area here, resistance. So I like the area, the retest area. We'll just see if it holds. If it doesn't hold, it'll stop me out pretty fast, which just looks like it's about to. Very tight stop. Yeah, I'm more so playing defense right now than I am anything. If this candle flips green, I'm going to break even pretty much immediately. There's the flip green. Going to break even. If it tasks me out break even, that's fine. You know what? I'm going to take it. I'm just going to take it, chat. You know, I don't. Today, just being the type of news day it is, I'm not really down to just try to hit home run trades. I'm going to take base hits today and just let it stack. Today, I'll be honest, today I'm feeling a little bit skittish in my trading because I already had a bad feeling about today. So I'm a little skittish. So just gonna take what I can. So we're up 275. Chat, hold on. I might be in a tornado warning right now. Oh, chat, I'm in a tornado warning. Hold on. Chat, hold on. Be right back. Okay. I'm back. Yeah, we're in a tornado warning right now. I'm trying to figure out where. If I should be concerned here. Hang on, chat. Give me a second. All right. Well, none of my weather people are like local weather people are alive, so it can't be that serious. All right. Back to trading. I guess we're okay. All right, chat. How we doing? Are we green? We red? How we looking? Green? Nice. I guess we're good, chat. I mean, we were just in a tornado warning, so I don't know. I guess I'm good. Sirens stopped going off. So I guess we're good. G-Man Green, nice. Jeff Green, let's go. Bob, good morning. What up? All right, let's get some likes up on the stream. Guys, if you have not already, do me a favor, smash that like button. Helps me out a bunch. Helps out a lot. Got some heavy sellers coming in right now. Switch back, trading green. Let's go. All right, down to VWAP. Cutting through it, yeah. We're sellers coming through pretty heavy right now. We cut through VWAP there, and now we're buying back above it. Sellers are trying to get pretty aggressive. I mean, we're 100 points off the high right here. Just hovering VWAP right now. I don't know how I feel about a short, to be honest. I don't like us hovering VWAP like this. Holding 500 so far. All right, breaking down below 500s here. I guess killing my long where I did was the play, huh, chat? Just a quick what was that, 12 points? Oh, 12-point grab. We're looking like we want to come down here. Still holding these 500s though. In the middle of this range, don't really like that. Nas is pretty much flat on the day, chat. We're only down 0.18%. And tornado sirens are going back off again, chat. Chat, I'll be right back. All right, chat. I gotta go. Storms are getting pretty bad here. We're in a tornado warning with lots of wind, and it's getting crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and kill the stream. I gotta get my son in the bathroom and protected. So chat, we'll be live again later this afternoon. Probably around like 1:30 or so, same as yesterday. But right now, storm's getting kind of crazy. We're under a tornado warning, and I'm gonna get my family into safety. So I will check you guys